The surface finish gauge measures surface roughness. Roughness is the small variations in height across a surface. Knowing the roughness of a surface is important to many manufacturing applications where friction and wear are concerns. This gauge meets ASME, ISO, DIN, VDA, and JIS standards where applicable. See the manual for more details. This device measures surface roughness in both micrometers and microinches. It will display the arithmetic average of the roughness over the evaluation length, the maximum peak to valley height over the chosen number of cutoffs, and the average peak to valley height over the chosen number of cutoffs. The number of cutoffs may be set to 1, 3, or 5. Only the 5 cutoff measurements are up to ISO standards. Using this tool is not complicated, but understanding its readings can be. To use the tool, identify a surface the roughness of which you would like to measure. Remove the protective covering. Insert the 9-volt battery from the case. Place the tool on the surface and press the white button. Importantly, the screen will go blank and the memory will be wiped after 7 seconds without activity, so it is important to write down your results quickly. The units may be changed after taking the measurement, and changing them will reset the 7-second clock. If for any reason the current setup of the device does not suit your circumstances, there are a few adjustments that can be made. If the device cannot sit on your surface, the probe can be rotated out to 90, 180, or 270 degrees. It is important for the device to still sit on the same plane as the surface being measured. If there is not enough of the surface for the probe to traverse its full distance, the number of cutoffs may be reduced. Using less than 5 cutoffs is not up to ISO standards, but it is sometimes necessary. At the full 5 cutoffs, the probe will traverse a length of 5 millimeters. At 3 cutoffs, the probe will traverse a length of 3.5 millimeters. And at 1 cutoff, the probe will traverse a length of 2 millimeters. For some measurement parameters, the cutoffs will act as a single measurement interval, while for others, the entire distance traversed will be used. If you are seeing an H or L on the display, it is because the measurements from your surface are outside the operating range for this tool. Finally, there are the measurement parameters. The RA parameter gives the arithmetic average height of roughness irregularities measured from the mean line within the evaluation length, according to the manual for the device being shown on screen. The mean line is determined using the filter roughness profile. More details can be found in ASME B46.1-2019, which is linked on the Tool Library website in the description of this video. Depicted here is a graph of the roughness of the measured surface on the y-axis over the length measured on the x-axis. The x-axis itself is the mean line calculated from the filter roughness profile. The arithmetic average is then the integral taken over the absolute value of this graph and divided by the length. That is, the distances of each height measurement from the mean line are added together and divided by the total number of measurements taken. The Rmax/Ry parameter calculates the height from the highest point, the peak, to the lowest point, the valley, in each cutoff and gives the maximum peak to valley distance. RZ will take the average peak to valley distance. That is, it will add the peak to valley distances within each cutoff together and divide by the number of cutoffs measured. It is important to consult each of these measurements as none of them capture the full picture. The Rmax may reveal a local irregularity that the RA would not capture. The RZ is similar to the RA, but would show a local irregularity more because it only considers peak to valley distances. Now that you know a bit more about the surface roughness gauge and what its readings mean, find the smoothest surface near you and see what irregularities you can find. Is it really as smooth as you thought? If you find yourself struggling, refer to the manual of the tool you are using or ask a librarian.